Hey everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. Today we're going to continue from where we stopped. Okay, we stopped at how to cut a shimmy. Now we're going to be sewing it. Join the strip if need be. Attach to the armhole and neckline of the main fabric. So you're going to be cutting this out. Okay, after cutting it out, we have something like this. When you open this, you have the front and the back piece. So this is the neckline. I'm going to be attaching the bias cutting that I've done. So I've pinned it down like this. So next is to sew it all the way down. Sew it on the neckline like so according to the pattern. Okay, after sewing, I'm going to be turning it inward and folding it also. And then I'm going to be sewing the neckline also. Sew it down like this. Okay, follow the pattern. So here it is. I'm sewing it just so neatly. After sewing this neckline, we're going to be attaching the strips to the armhole, and then it's going to extend upward to the shoulder and then to the other armhole of the sleeve. Thereafter, we'll be joining the sides, and that will be voila. If you've not watched the first video on how to cut a shimmy, please look out for it. It's on Alina's Fashion. Okay, so here it is. I've sewn the neckline. I'm going to be notching it like this. So just notch it carefully. Make sure you don't cut on the sewn part, okay, on the stitch itself. So I'm going to be giving it a careful notch on the neckline. After notching this, same thing with the armhole. I'm going to be sewing. So I just notch and then I'll fold it and sew it inward. Okay, that is to the inner side of the shimmy like so. I just fold it like this, pin it down, and then take it to the machine and sew down. So here it is. I've done the neckline. Okay, so here it is. The next is to be attaching the sleeve. So I'm going to be trimming these parts of all the front and the back so that it will be even. Okay, so here it is, neat. Okay, neatly done. So I'm pinning this strip. Okay, I'm pinning it on the armhole like this. I'll pin it and sew this part. Okay, see the work I've done for the front and the back. So I'm pinning this down and then I'm going to be sewing it. Okay, both armhole. Then this part of the strap, just leave like 8 inches. Okay, for the length of the arm. Okay, so I'm going to pin this down. After pinning this down, I'm going to be sewing it from here to this part and notching it. So I'll do that for the other armhole. If you watched the previous video, you know why I'm saying the strip is 8 inches. So here it is. I'm going to be sewing this down now. Okay. Another hint here, if you're doing for a plus size, there's no point pleating this. So I've pleated this because my client is not that big. So I just pleated the front and back like this, and this is the armhole. Okay, this is the sleeve, the little stripes. Okay, so this is the side. I've sewn the side and the hem, and everything is ready. Voila. Please leave your comments, like and share. Alina's Fashion.